Hey friend, welcome to my channel. Ccus here. Breakfast is an energy booster meal. We eat our breakfast in the morning after 8 hours of sleep. So it is the first meal we have after a long fast. Our body has absorbed nutrients from the dinner we ate, and now they require something. A breakfast to give lots of energy to you to carry out the work during the day. So let us learn some healthy and nutritious weight loss breakfast recipes. First one is uppuma is the South Indian style of preparing poha and is a version to the basic rava uppuma. This can be eaten with a plain yogurt or with a cup of tea or a coffee. Making uppuma is very quick and just take about 15 minutes. I have shared only the basic version here. Add 1 cup poha to a bowl. Add half cup water, mix well, cover and set aside to soften for 10 minutes. 1 medium sized onion, 2 green chilies, small piece ginger, chop all these. Heat a kadai, add required amount of oil. When the mustard splatter well, add chopped ginger and green chili. Then add chopped onion. When the onion turn golden color, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Then add soaked poha, mix it, cooked on lowest heat till the uppuma turns hot. For more taste, add roasted peanut. Add lemon juice and garnish with coriander leaves, gives extra taste. The second one is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are nutritious, packed with a good amount of vitamin A, vitamin C, and manganese into each serving. They also have anti-cancer proteins and may promote immune functions and other health benefits. Sweet potatoes are sweet, starchy root vegetables that are grown worldwide. Breakfast is probably one of the finest time to consume sweet potatoes. Clean the potatoes well, boil it or vaporize it. No need of chutney aside for sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are delicious as itself. But I like to have a special chutney as a side with sweet potato. It enhances the taste more rather than normal. For this special chutney, we need required amount of shallots and green chili, tamarind, 1 teaspoon salt. If you have a stomach problems, you should not eat potatoes on empty stomach. Before having this, literally have eat something. Sweet potatoes can healthy and nutritious. It's very helpful for weight loss. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrate that can help to keep you full and satisfied. Third one is Idli Sambar. It's a hearty, satisfied, and healthy meal of soft, fluffy idli served with a spiced and lightly tangy sambar. It is a winning combination made for each other. There are many ways the sambar is made. Here I show how I prepare special sambar for idli. Idli Sambar is a low calorie recipe, thus making it a good option for people in weight loss. Idli recommended for weight loss due to its low calorie and fat content. The protein and fiber in idli create feeling of fullness, help to control hunger and increase energy expenditure during the digestion. Fourth one is sweet corn chatt or masala sweet corn. Here I use processed corn or ready to use corn. If you are using natural corn, choose tender corn and pick the corn kernel either with a knife or with your finger. Here I move the corn to bowl, add chopped cucumber, chopped tomato, chopped onion, mix all together. You can add more veggies as your wish. Then add half teaspoon pepper and half teaspoon chili powder. Chaat is a very famous Indian street food. Here I show how to prepare low calorie sweet corn chaat. It's well suited for a weight loss meal or a breakfast meal. The fifth one is Veggie Omelette. This super omelette is full of nutrients rich veggies. Eggs are high protein and omelette is loaded with healthy ingredients providing fuel to your body to jumpstart your day. Broccoli omelette is an easy to prepare. This is also goes well as side dish with rice. First we need to separate the broccoli florets. Boil it for 2 minutes. In between, chop the onion and chili. Drain the broccolis. Here I take 3 eggs. Whisk well and combine it. Then add onion, chili and broccoli florets and required amount of salt and mix all together. Heat a pan, apply or spray some oil, spread the egg mixture. Now cook on a medium or low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Twin flip the omelette and cook both sides, then transfer to the plate. Try the healthy omelette. This is the better option for weight loss. The sixth one is mixed dal dosa. It's an easy and non-fermented dosa made with various dals. 1 cup tur dal, 1 cup masoor dal, 1 cup urd dal, 1 cup green gram dal, and half cup fenugreek. Whatever dal varieties available with you, you can add more dal varieties. Rinse it well and soak it for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, discard the water. Here I add 2 tablespoons of ragi powder. If you have normal ragi, you can soak with dal. Add required amount of water, blend it well. If you need spicy taste, add 2 green chili and blend with dal. It's an instant batter. Check the consistency, same like dosa batter. Apply oil on dosa tawa and heat it on a medium flame. When the pan turns medium hot, pour the batter in center. Drizzle slightly ghee on it. When the dosa is half done, flip it to other side. Cook until other side is also cooked. Do not overcook. One mixed dal dosa contains 73 calories. Here I take 2 dosa for my breakfast. Seventh one is Ccus uppuma. Ccus is made from crushed wheat. Ccus protein and fiber content help to curb hunger and reduce appetite for a considerable amount of time. Here I take 1 cup Ccus. It can serve 3 people. How much you need, you take as much. Add water and keep it aside. Chop all veggies. You can add all type of veggies. Check the Ccus, it hydrated and changed to a perfect texture now. In a pot, add required amount of oil. When it hot, add mustards and red chilies, cashews and raisins. Then add all veggies. Once the onion and veggies are soft, add Ccus to mix all together. Check the taste and add required amount of salt. A healthy diet is essential for good health and nutrition. It protects you from many diseases. Include more fruits and vegetables in your food. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.